What's up guys, jumping on today to review this electric nail drill that I have right here. Now there are a variety of different tips that you get in here and this is what they look like. So you'll see there are quite a few and in the little instruction manual it lets you know which ones are best for what activity. So whether you're trying to remove acrylic, remove gel, touch up your cuticles, whatever it is, it lets you know exactly which head is best for that. Now I showed you some of the heads, but they give you a ton of replacement little sanding heads. There's this little head that is ceramic right here. They also include this little brush so that all of your filings can be brushed away. So I realized yesterday that this was dead. So I charged it last night and now I can show you how it actually works. So to turn it on, it's pretty simple. Turn this at the top and that's also how you adjust it up or down. So RPMs are displayed right here. Max that it will do is 40 and the lowest it will do is literally 1. So you can really customize it to how fast you want this to spin. When I'm doing my cuticles, I keep it pretty low just because I don't want to cut or tear the skin or anything like that. And because I don't want to create any heat from the friction, which is pretty uncomfortable if you've ever had that experience. And it does have a little belt clip on the back. So if you want to clip it onto yourself while you're working, you totally can. It's just that simple. So if you're in the market for a new tool to take care of your nails, cuticles, whatever else at home, definitely check out this one.